Hello everyone, here is our group presentation. Our group is group A5 and our group presentation topic is Apple Incorporation and my name is Amrit Palkar.
Hi, I am Akriti Maharjan.
Hi, my name is Pradeep Kaur.
Hello, I am Sidorella Metai.
Hello, my name is Patesh Shivangi Ben Jaykumar.
Today, we are going to present a business advantage of Apple, intention of competitive advantage, strategic implementation, business advantage in international markets, and relevance in corporate levels. We all know that Apple is one of the world's largest company in terms of information and technology. Steve Jobs and Steve Wozniak incorporated the company on January 3, 1977 in California. So this assignment is about to show how business advantage is created in an international company like Apple is. Apple's marketing mix includes the four P's, which are product, price, place, and promotion. With the development of innovative products and operating systems, software applications are some of the significant aspects of creating a competitive advantage in the business for Apple. The next slide talk about business advantages of Apple. An effective way to grow and create a business advantage is understanding and then gaining insight on the competitors and finally taking the feedback of their consumers. Time-based and technology-based advantages are two of the significant advantage pillars the Apple is primarily relying on. Apple use SMART goals for better productivity to create innovative and accessibility technology for their consumers. Talking about SMART goals, post and advertisements on their website to create purchase of new products by at least 5% from the previous product. So using social media to direct consumers to notify of new posts and updates will maintain the brand visibility. Thank you. The next person will be Pardeep, please.
Yeah, I'm going to talk about intention of competitive advantage. So the main purpose to creating product is make people life more easier and they can do their work more quickly. This is a mixed marketing strategy of Apple where they launch different type of products such as watches, iPhone, Apple TV, AirPods, and different type of product. These innovations make more profit to business and they become biggest brand in the world. These elements make more profitable and rise up the revenue of company rapidly. Invention of a new technology and enhancement of present product when exploration of the product offering to research and develop. Licensing of the intellectual property is a interesting thing for company. Well, in the next slide, I'm going to talk about strategic implication. They work in a chain and take care of their ecosystem strongly, as well as supplier and developer could assist a business partner. Apple provides strong advantage to themselves. Apple have a independent software by creating application and ecosystem control over the entire process. Having brand friend provide form, for example, Apple visibility in the marketing place and assist build user trust. Well, new products are more environment friendly because they have a sign in a single ecosystem app such as iPad, iPhone, iMac, and etc. Thank you.
In continuing strategic implementation in terms of business sales having less reliance on a certain sort of product, let's Apple maintain profitability by selling a variety of products that they manufacture. Apple continues to make aggressive effort to transform itself into one of the world's leading provider of digital services. Its iPhone unit is the one main driver for growth in sales, profit, and share price. Enhancing customers' experience is one of the pillars of its business strategy. Apple's strategy is to be a market disruptor and thus a market maker from the start of any market action by focusing persistently on the customer's experience. New products and services are planned, produced, and are constantly pursued to please the end consumers, not merely existing products or services. In next slide, Apple builds a persuasive devotion to their customers through the aspects of voluntary trades with clients. Apple has always placed a high priority on safeguarding their customers' personal information. Apple does not record any information about their customers, location, map searches, or Siri inquiries. Apple has adopted advanced features and capabilities of its product and services as based on its competitive advantage. Apple's own its own hardware, operating system, application and services all tied together rather neatly with its new cloud architecture. As a global firm, global expansion, Apple can maintain consistently to deliver high customer value through its innovation brands in overseas market. With the help of this strategy, Apple has developed a strong market share in overseas market. Now Shivangi will continue.
Hello, I am going to talk about business advantage in international market. With the invention of products and implementation of service that are primarily in place to enrich people's daily lives is a big part of the Apple company and their business advantage. Apart from its differentiation strategy, the major points to look at are brand loyalty and its iPhone boost across the world. These both are major success factors of Apple Incorporation. Brand loyalty remains to be a strong advantage because it can help the company stay very strong in international market. A clear establishment of performance standards helps Apple have a market advantage among their competitors. My next slide is relevant in corporate levels. With establishment of corporate culture within the organizational unit of Apple Incorporation help attract the best talent in the market. Apple Incorporation has an organizational culture for creative, innovative. The company's cultural features focus on maintaining a high level of innovation that involves a creativity and a mindset that challenges conventions and standards. Definition of underservicedness helps Apple to drop beyond their potentials. Establishment of a unique value proposition allow Apple to expand and effectively enter international markets. Apple focus on their unique value proposition, which is beautiful design that work right out of the box with even smaller marketing. It's a marketing strategy that gets used throughout social media, and it's very much a competitive advantage for Apple and its market share. Localizing products and marketing into for all of your target market is important, and Apple success is a prime example of that. Apple also customize its stores based on their location. The aspect of structure corporate mission and valuable rewarding behaviors that can help repeat positive actions within the company create business advantage. In incentive corporation system is another method that Apple uses to motivate employees. This include bonus pay, which provides payments on on accomplishing the target as goal given to a specific employee during a particular period. They also have an employee stock ownership plan. Now my next slide will be continued by Amritpal.
Enhancement of consumer experience has Apple have loyal customer. The main reason they manage to offer products like that is because they focus on innovation. By that, they create products that are new. They also make sure they are useful, they are likely to be adopted, and that they will lead to sales. Focusing on customer centric experience is a primary color of Apple's business strategy. The company is at the peak of success because it brings the best customer experience through its innovative software, hardware, and planning great products every year. Now I'm concluding the whole presentation. Apple is constantly transitioning from relying on iPhone sales while relying on other services products of the business. This helps Apple to stay consistent and stay focused on the services, promoting the role of artificial intelligence and constantly implementing virtual reality and incorporating them in all the devices help Apple remain relevant in the contemporary market. Like built on large scale machine learning algorithms that combine speech recognition and natural language processing have inconsistent application and software programs working at the devices at the same time help have integrated interfaces and simplicity in the design. Thank you so much. In the next slide, we have our reference list. Thank you so much for listening.